जो लोग अभी तक नहीं आए, drop a message chat to your one of the official group में मैसेज डालो, join this particular meet. Okay, good morning all of you.
Morning, sir.
So in the previous session, we guys were discussing about vertex connectivity, edge connectivity. Based on that, we define about cut vertex, is that separable graph. Based on that, we had identified we were having two different graphs, and उसमें से हमने देखा कि which of the graph is batterly connected, is it? जिसकी भी vertex connectivity बढ़ी है, that graph is batterly connected. We may say like that. We may conclude like that. Is it? Now, the fifth unit is supposed to end this fifth unit. अब एक topic बाकी है जो कि हमने पहले discuss किया हुआ था. That is isomorphism of graph. When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic. When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic to each other. So let's start our discussion. This will be the last topic of unit number 5, and in this session only we will be dealing with the sixth unit. That means our third unit of the syllabus. That is planar and non-planar graph. हम सभी को पता है ये सिलेबस डिवाइड है दो हिस्सों में, ग्राफ्स एंड डिस्क्रीट. इज इट? डिस्क्रीट वाला एक पोर्शन है, ग्राफ वाला पोर्शन है. ग्राफ के लिए 3 यूनिट, वी आर हैविंग 3 डिफरेंट यूनिट्स फॉर द ग्राफ, एंड सिमिलरली वी आर हैविंग 3 यूनिट्स फॉर द डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स. सो ग्राफ वाले पोर्शन में थर्ड यूनिट आज ही स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसमें हम बात करेंगे प्लानर एंड नॉन प्लानर ग्राफ, जो कि बहुत ही आसान है. ग्राफ वाला पूरा कंटेंट बहुत ही आसान है आप लोगों के लिए. इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू गाइस, इवन in terms of examination also. Okay, so let's discuss about isomorphic graph. When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic, ये हमने discuss कर लिया already. When we were dealing with one of the other presentation, जब मैंने आपसे एक और slide भी share की थी, वहाँ पे हमने ये वाला topic थोड़ा पढ़ा था. I covered this particular topic when I was dealing with the unit number 4, graphs and trees. वहाँ पे कुछ इसकी बात की है. क्या आप में से कोई बता पाएगा when we can say that two graphs are isomorphic to each other, or if we are going to say that two graphs are isomorphic, then there are certain conditions, there are some of the rules. कब बोल सकते हैं कि दो ग्राफ एक दूसरे के साथ आइसोमॉर्फिक है? When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic to each other. First of all, one of the student from offline, yes, Smriti. When we are going to find the union of both the graph, and if we got the complete graph, then both the graphs are isomorphic to each other. They are complement of each other. Here, we have provided a definition of complement graph. The vertex connectivity must be same for both the graph. Okay. But when we were dealing with this particular topic in the 4th unit, I had not defined even what do you mean by vertex connectivity. Vertex connectivity, edge connectivity का concept था ही नहीं. Is it not? You are not having that particular definition with you. Yes, Pandey. No. Okay, one of the students from the online. Meghna, are you there? Nidhi. I would like to hear from Nidhi Jain, if she's here. And Nidhi is not there. Okay, Mohammed Kaif. Can you unmute yourself? Mohammed. Kaldeep, am I audible to you? Kaldeep, am I audible to all?
You're audible.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed, are you here? Or am I supposed to? मोहम्मद, अगर तू सुन रहा है तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख दे, वरना मैं निकाल रहा हूँ तुझे. ओके, he's not replying. Mansi, are you there? Mansi? 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 Yes, dear. When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic to each other? When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic to each other? मानसी या चैट बॉक्स में लिख या फिर अनम्यूट करके बात कर, वरना निकालूंगा बेटा मैं यहाँ से तुझे। मानसी, last call, Mansi, are you there? Unmute yourself and talk to me. When we can say that two graphs are isomorphic to each other?
Yes, sir. Sorry,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
my mic was not working. So, if two graphs are their vertices are common and common in each graph in between, connected by an edge in two graphs.
रुक जाओ भाई, नेटवर्क चलाया गया है, मैं 1 मिनट में आता हूँ।
Yes, there we are. Yes, once again I'm audible to you. Yes, Mansi, instead of saying that common vertices, we need to say that we must have the same number of vertices in both the graph. Even same number of edges must be there, and there must be
Yes, sir.
a function which is a kind of one function which connects edge set of first graph with the edge set of the second graph. और उसको हम कुछ और तरीके से बोल रहे थे that adjacency must be preserved. Is it? याद आया कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. They be like they have.
Yeah.
They must have same adjacency matrix.
Yes. So let's try to recall that topic once again. You are having a two graph on the screen right now. Observe the vertices in the first graph is A, B, C, D. In the second graph, I provided the vertices A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Now, इसको आगे ले जाने से पहले आइसोमॉर्फिक ग्राफ की डेफिनेशन अगर मैं दिखाऊं यहाँ से, उससे पहले आप क्या ये जज कर पाओगे, क्योंकि मैंने ये पढ़ाया हुआ आपको इससे पहले, can you determine both these graphs are isomorphic to each other or not? If it is isomorphic, if both they are isomorphic to each other, then we must have that one-to-one relation. We must have that one-to-one relation. Is it? That vertex A is gonna having connection with A dash, and B is having connection with B dash, C is having connection with C dash. We must have a kind of one-to-one correspondence, one-to-one relation over there. It is very, very clear that number of vertices in both the graph are same, number of edges in both the graphs are same. Is it? पर क्या लगता है ये दोनों ग्राफ आइसोमॉर्फिक ग्राफ्स हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Does it? It will act as isomorphic graph. ठीक है, चलिए जाते हैं उसकी डेफिनेशन के ऊपर. Let me erase this ink. एक बात तो पढ़ा था आपने, पर देखिए एक बार. When we say graphs are essentially the same, बिल्कुल एक जैसे लग रहे, सिर्फ उसका लैबलिंग अलग है. When we were dealing with this particular topic in the 4th unit, I just said that we were just concerned about the number of vertices having the same degree. Agar in the first graph, if we are having 5 vertices of degree 4, then we must have the 5 vertices of degree 4 in the second graph, which we are going to compare. Is it? Which we are going to equate. Is it? If we are having 2 vertices of degree 4, then we must have the 2 vertices of degree 4 in the other graph. Is it? So essentially the same, कुछ अलग तरीके से शायद ड्रॉ किया हुआ है, या तो फिर उसका labeling अलग है. It's fine, it's totally fine. In one of the graph we are using the labeling A, B, C, D. In the other graph we are using the labeling X, Y, Z, W. It's totally fine. Is it? ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक वर्टेक्स और हर एक एज का लेबल सेम होना चाहिए. नहीं भाई, सेम नहीं होगा, वो अलग ही होगा. अगर सेम ही है तो तब देख के बताना है कि ओके दोनों एक ही ग्राफ है तो ये आइसोमॉर्फिक है. Every graph is isomorphic to itself. Is it? But we are checking whether two different graphs are isomorphic to each other or not. So essentially the same, एक जैसे लगेंगे, पर definition क्या है देखिए नीचे. But before that, let's just go through the second point which I had mentioned over there. That should be a one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of the graphs and a one-to-one correspondence between their edges. जैसे कि अभी हमने बोला, we must able to provide that one-to-one correspondence. वो one-to-one correspondence हम दे सकने चाहिए. We must be able to identify that one-to-one correspondence. कि भाई vertex A की image क्या लूँगा मैं, vertex B की image क्या लूँगा. Is it? And what was the definition we had provided? Given graph G1 and G2, these are just the vertex set and edge set. In the graph G1 vertex set is V1 E1, and in the graph G2 it is V2 E2. Please, we can say that G1 is isomorphic to G2 if there is a one-to-one function f running from V1 to V2 such that there is an edge between U and V in G, then there is an edge between f of U and f of V in the second graph, that is G2. ये थोड़ा confuse कर सकता है आपको. देखिए, might be you are having a kind of confusion over there, but ये कोई problem create नहीं करेगा if you are able to identify that one-to-one correspondence, what they want to say. Suppose consider this particular edge. Let me label this edge as E1, which connects A with C. Is it? Here the edge E1 connects A with C. Now, if you are going to have a correspondence of E1 with this particular edge, and let me label this edge as a capital E1. Okay, this is capital E1. Here E1 is connecting A dash to B dash. Then your correspondence must be like this: A with A dash and C with B dash. C with B dash. Now observe, that is, अब यहाँ पे ये वाली condition satisfy हो रही है. देखिए, f is a function which is running from V1 to V2, what both the vertex set, but भूल जाइए उसको. I'm not concerned about that. I'm concerned about this particular line. That is, if there is an edge between U and V in G1, if there is an edge between A and C in first graph, say this is G1, then there is an edge between f of U and f of V in G2. Let me label this as a G2, and this should be f of A, and this should be f of C, because I had connected over here. Okay, look, always there is a confusion in your mind that A will have the connection, A will have the correspondence with A dash, B will have the correspondence with B dash, C is going to connect with C dash, D is going to connect with D dash. No, it is not always like that. ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसी कोई जरूरत नहीं है, because ये तो labeling पूरा मैंने दिया हुआ बेटा. I can change my label. I can say this is not B dash, this is C dash. I can label that as a D dash. ग्राफ में कुछ अलग ही मैं notation use कर रहा हूँ. So what we need to take care is this particular, if there is an edge which connects U to V, and there must be an edge in the other graph which connect f of U and f of V. F of U and f of V. Let me उसको अभी कोई एक एग्जांपल से बहुत ही क्लियर करते हैं. रुक जाओ. Let's try to identify a one-to-one correspondence over here. It will clear lots of doubt of yours. Let's try to identify. Let's try to check whether both these graphs are isomorphic to each other or not. At the first look, we are having a conclusion. Yes, surely both these graphs are look like isomorphic graph. ये दोनों graph है वो लग रहा है कि isomorphic है. Let me label this as a G1. Let me label this as a G2. Is it? Let's try to label the edges even. This is E1. This is E2, E3, and E4. Here. This is capital E1. This is capital E2. This is capital E3, and this is E4. E4. Is it? ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन दे सकता आप तो, सो प्लीज बी विथ मी, यहाँ पे ध्यान से साथ में रहना. अगर let me represent that with the screen, it will, because I will be in need of a space, so let me pick a screen और वहीं पे बात करते रुक जाओ. We may use any of the notation, okay? We may use any of the notation. Let's label our vertices. This is graph G1. Let me label the vertices as V1, V2, V3, and V4. This is E1, E2, E3, and E4. Okay, let me give you other graph. Like this. Take care, I'm not taking any edge, any vertex over here. This is not the vertex, this intersection is not the vertex, so take care. This is graph G2, and let me label the vertices as capital A, capital B, C, and D. Edges को मैं नाम दे रहा हूँ, that is E1, this is edge E2, this is edge E3, and this is edge E4. Okay. Now, let's try to identify whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not. So first of all, we need to check the cardinality of vertex set in both the graphs. Clearly, we can say that the cardinality of this particular graph, vertex set of this particular graph is 4. The cardinality of edge set of this graph is 4, which is ditto same with this one. Cardinality of vertex set of this graph is 4. Cardinality of edge set of this graph is even 4. Is it? So first condition to satisfy हो रही है. अगर यहाँ पे मैं सोच लीजिए, अगर यहाँ पे if I'm going to consider one of the vertex over there, बात खत्म. We are not supposed to move ahead. Both this graph can't act as isomorphic graph because number of vertices are different. In one of the graph we are having 4 vertices, in another graph we are having 5 vertices. That's all. We don't need to go for any further condition, second condition, third, fourth condition देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बात खत्म हो चुकी है. ठीक है? So I did not consider any of the edge over there, any of the vertex over there. Sorry. अरे अरे यार पानी में पूरा फिर से करना पड़ेगा. रुक जाओ, एक ही मिनट रुक जाओ. Something is wrong with my pad, but it's okay, it's fine. Just in 1 minute. Just in 1 minute. अगर मुझे आप लोग सामने चाहिए तो बहुत इजीली और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ये काम हो सकता है. It's little bit tough when I'm dealing with the some of the students in front of me. Some of you are E1, E2, E3, and E4. That was the labeling. That is capital E1, that is capital E2, E3, and E4. Sorry. So first condition says that now the biggest task, we need to recognize the 1-1 correspondence, is it? So let's try to identify a correspondence. Let's try to provide that particular correspondence. अब वो correspondence identify करने की मतलब क्या है? You need to give a corresponding vertex which we are going to connect with V1. V1 is one of the vertex in graph G1, is it? This is graph G1. This is graph G2. We are checking whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not. लग ही रहा है, पता ही हमको कि ये दोनों आइसोमॉर्फिक है, पर आइसोमॉर्फिक बताने से पहले आपको वो कॉरेस्पोंडेंस देनी है. ठीक है, तो आपको बताना है कि V1 के साथ इसमें से कौन सी वर्टेक्स कनेक्ट करेंगे हम. Let's start with A. Let me connect V1 with A. Is it? V2. Now, when I'm dealing with the V2, what I need to take care? Observe here, V2 is connected with V1, is it? V2 is connected with V1. So, I am supposed to identify, I am supposed to allot, I'm supposed to give the correspondence of V2 with one of the edge which is connected with A, which is incidence to A. Why? क्योंकि देखिए V1 का कनेक्शन A के साथ है, V1 को हमने अलॉट किया है के साथ, V1 को हमने करस्पॉन्ड किया है के साथ. अब V2 जब मैं देख रहा हूं, V2 इज ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड विथ V1, उसके बीच में एज होनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे देखिए A किन किन के साथ कनेक्टेड, A is connected with B as well as A is having connection with C. So even I can allot B or C over there, but I can't allot D. अगर यहाँ पे आप V2 को correspond कर रहे D के साथ तो बात गलत हो जाएगी, खत्म, यहीं पे बात खत्म. क्यों? तो वो वाली कंडीशन नहीं रहेगी. क्या कंडीशन थी? अगर U और B के बीच में एज है ना, then there must be edge between f of U and f of V. Is it? f of U and f of V. अब जब मैं लिख रहा हूं V1 is connected with A, आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, f of V1 is equals to A. f of V1 is equals to A. ठीक है? You may write it down like that also. Now, चलिए बताइए V2 को किसके साथ correspond करेंगे? Even you guys may reply on the chat box. Even प्रांजुल, V2 चलिए बताइए.
सर B के साथ.
चलिए B. I'm going to connect V2 with B. अब बात है V3 की. Take care. V3 is having connection with V2. So you need to pick one of the vertex from this graph G2 which is connected with B. If you are going to pick C, C अगर तू choose करेगा ना, तो C is not having connection with B, is it? इसके पास, इसके बीच में edge नहीं है. प्रांजुल देख. So I cannot allot C over there with the V3. I need to allot a D. And for V4, identify V4 एक ही बाकी रहा, कौन सा? C. एक ही बाकी रहा C.
Yes, C.
अब देखिए जो एजेस है ना, उसमें भी 1-to-1 correspondence आ जाएगी, पक्का आ जाएगी. V1 और V2 के बीच में कौन सी एज थी? Even. Do we have any edge between A to B? Yes, we have. That is capital E1. So that means E1 is having connection with E1 is having 1-to-1 correspondence with capital E1. अब देखिए V1 is also having connection with V4. So V1 V4 is that edge is E4. We must have the edge between A to C in graph G2. Do we have any edge between A to C? Yes, we have. And that edge is capital E3. So that means E4, edge E4 is having correspondence with E3, capital E3, is it? अब देखिए V2 is having connection with V3. V2 is having connection with V3. V2 is having connection with V3, and that particular edge is E2. So we must have the connection between B to D. We must have the connection between B to D, and B to D, that particular edge is E2. That means there is a correspondence between small e2 and capital E2. Capital E2. Is it? Similarly, V3 is having connection with V4. V3 is having connection with V4, and that particular edge is E3. Then D must have the connection with C. D must have the connection with C. D is having connection with C, and that edge is E4. That edge is E4. That means E3 is having connection with E4. Now we can say that these graphs are isomorphic. इतना check करना है. देखिए, we must have the 1-to-1 correspondence between edges, as well as we must have that 1-to-1 correspondence between vertices. Then and then we may say both these graphs are isomorphic. Both these graphs are. पर यहाँ पे identify करना बहुत ही आसान था. इस ग्राफ को आइडेंटिफाई करना, whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not, इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत ही आसान था. अगर इस ग्राफ को आप थोड़ी अलग तरीके से ड्रॉ करते ना, देखिए G2, I'm gonna draw G2 once again with some other way of presentation. AB, I'm presenting C over there and I'm presenting D over there. A, B as it is, B here and C here. Now A is having connection with B, yes. A is having connection with C. So A is having connection with C, C is having connection with D, and D is having connection with B. Now observe both this graph. This is G2, this is G1. अब इन दोनों को आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. चलिए, लग रहा है आइसोमॉर्फिक. बहुत आसानी से अब आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे. What will be the one-to-one correspondence? V1 is having connection with V1 को A, V2 को B. Then after P will gonna connect with V3, V4. We will having C, and rest of the edges you may label. Easily you may identify the correspondence between edges. Is it? So it will be easy if you are going to represent this particular graph with some other way of presentation. तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. बाकी we are having four vertices over here of degree 2. We are having 4 vertices over here with degree 2. तो surely एक ऐसी sequence, एक ऐसी one-to-one correspondence मिलने ही वाली है जो कि आपको isomorphism तक लेके जाए. Is it? Good. So let me know how many of you are good with this. कितनों को समझ में आई ये बात? First, I'm asking to all online students. जो भी online है उस चीज से बात कर रहा हूँ. बताइए. How many of you are good with this? कितनों को समझ में आई ये बात? You need to acknowledge on the chat box. You need to acknowledge on the. Yes, who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
दो आइसोमॉर्फिक ग्राफ हो गए तो वो इक्वली कहे जाएंगे, मतलब
इक्वल नहीं
सेम है
कहेंगे
या फिर
ना. We cannot say both these graphs are equal, okay? Because देख क्या होगा? In such a case, if we are going to talk about both these graphs, G1 and G2, this is G1, this is G2, the notations are different, is it? We are using different vertices, even we are using different connection, different edges, is it? तो isomorphic है, वो graph same है ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. They are equal. We will never say like that, okay?
ओके.
Okay.
और जैसे वो ट्रायंगल वगैरह में वो कॉन्करेंसी और इक्विवेलेंस वो सब होता है, वो इसमें कुछ ऐसा?
फिर से you are not that much audible. Once again, yes.
I'm trying that in वो जो ट्रायंगल्स वगैरह होता है उसमें कॉन्करेंसी हम डिफाइन करते हैं, इक्विवेलेंस ट्रायंगल और वो सब, तो इसमें ऐसा कुछ होता है कि दोनों कॉन्करेंट कहे जाएंगे?
यही तो किया बेटा हमने, देख यही तो किया. We had identified a one-to-one correspondence between the edge side as well as we had identified the one-to-one correspondence between the vertex side. Is it? वो ट्रायंगल की बात थी, वो कुछ अलग तरीके से डिफाइन कर रहे थे हम. वहां पे हम एंगल को यूज कर रहे थे, वहां पे साइड्स का यूज कर रहे थे. And when we are dealing with the graph, we are having just two component vertices as well as edges. तो हम उसी की बात करेंगे. Is it? वहां पे तो हम किसकी बात कर रहे थे? एंगल की भी बात कर रहे थे. फिर हम साइड्स की बात कर रहे थे, अगर तुझे याद हो तो, when we were dealing with the triangle in the high school. Is it? क्योंकि ट्रायंगल के पार्ट्स क्या है? ट्रायंगल के पार्ट्स क्या है? उसके पार्ट अगर तू बोले तो साइड्स एंड द एंगल. Is it? तो उसी की बात हो रही थी. अगर तुझे याद है तो उसी की बात हो रही थी कि भाई first which angle will be congruent to angle A, which side will be congruent to side AB. Is it? दो ट्रायंगल तू ले ले, फिर तू आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है कि whether both these triangles are equivalent or not. तो तू हर एक एंगल को कंपेयर कर रहा था कि पहले ट्रायंगल का एंगल A is congruent to angle X of the other triangle. Is it? फिर तू साइड्स कंपेयर कर रहा था कि पहले ट्रायंगल में साइड AB is congruent to side XY. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे ट्रायंगल के पार्ट्स कौन से? एंगल एंड साइड्स. हम यहाँ पे किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? We are dealing with the edges and edges. क्यों? क्योंकि ग्राफ क्या है? ग्राफ के पास दो ही कंपोनेंट है ना बेटा, वर्टेक्स एंड एजेस. तो उसके बीच में हम वन टू वन कॉरेस्पोंडेंस फाइंड करें. वही तो किया हमने, वही तो किया. Hopefully you are clear. Hopefully you are clear. Is it?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Good. Good. Let me take you further. Now go through this. If we can identify such function, that function is known as a isomorphism, and that function f running from v1 to v2 is said to be isomorphism, is known as isomorphism between two graphs, and both the graphs are known as isomorphic. Let me give you an example. Before that, let's go through some of the ये वही सारी बात है, वही सारी कंडीशन है जो हमने अभी चेक की. Just go through this four points. If two graphs are isomorphic to each other, then this four will hold always. ये चारों बातें always hold करेगी, ये चारों कंडीशन always रहेगी. क्या? The cardinality of eight set of both the graph will be same. The cardinality of vertex set of both the graph will be same. Graph G1 and G2 must have the same number of regions found by an equal number of edges. Same number of regions. ये कुछ नया लगा ना? We are going to discuss that particular region in next unit, that is planar and non-planar graph. So don't worry about that, what we mean by region. Then after third, graph G1 and G2 must have an equal number of loops. If we are having a loop, then we must have the equal number of loops in both the graphs. And graph G1 and G2 must have the same number of parallel edges. If you are having three parallel edges over here in one of the graph G1, there must be three parallel edges over there in the graph G2. Yes, please.
So the first one, G1, had total 4 parallel edges.
Let me take you towards that. Wait. Here, na?
So E1 and E3 are parallel.
No, E1 and E3 are parallel over here. Are you out of your mind? When we can say that two edges are parallel edges? When we can say that two edges are parallel edges? Sorry guys. I'm solving one of the stupid kind of query. Be here on the screen. Suppose this is a graph A, B, C, D. And the edges are E1, E2, E3, E4. इसमें से पैरेलल एजेस कौन है बता तू? नन होता है, is it? E5, E6, क्या ये दो पैरेलल एजेस है? नहीं है. Is it? If I am going to draw one of the edges over there, E1 and E7 are parallel edges. What is the parallel? Why? Because the end point of E1 and E1 and E7 are same. End points of terminal points of E1 and E7 are same. ये मैंने तुझे दूसरी बार बताया लेक्चर में. इससे पहले भी ये बात हुई मुझे याद है. अब यहाँ पे पहुंच के तू पूछ रहा है पैरेलल एजेस क्या है? Consider the following graph, following three graphs, G1, G2 and G3. G1, G2 and G3. First of all, the number of vertices in three graphs are same. In all three graphs G1 we are having three vertices. In G2 we are having three vertices, as well as in G3 we are having three vertices. Now focus on the number of edges. In the graph G1 we are having two edges. In graph G2 we are having two edges. Is it? In G3 we are having single edge. So surely यहाँ से we may conclude that G1 is not gonna act as isomorphic to G1 or G2. G3 जो है वो G1 G2 के साथ isomorphic नहीं हो सकता. Is it? Now if G1 and G2 are, whether my question is that whether G1 and G2 will act as isomorphic graph or not, surely it will act. Is it? Surely it will gonna act as isomorphic graph. 2 डिग्री वाली एक वर्टेक्स है, यहाँ पे 2 डिग्री वाली एक वर्टेक्स है, इन दोनों को correspond कर सकते हैं आप. जो भी इसको labeling दे रहे हैं x, if we are going to label this particular vertex as x, this is the A, and you need to give the correspondence between x and A. That's all. And rest of both the vertices are isolated vertices which is connected with x. Here, rest of both the vertices are pendant vertex which is connected with A. So surely you may give any of the correspondence to them. That's it. So surely we can say that both this graph G1 and G2 are isomorphic. But G3 नहीं है, G1 के साथ भी isomorphic नहीं है, G2 के साथ भी नहीं. Try to check whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not. Be ready with your pen and paper. You need to allot numbering. You need to allot labeling of the vertices even for the edges, and you are supposed to decide whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not. अब इसके लिए रुक जाओ, इसके लिए तो ऐसे ही बोल पाओगे. Whether both this graph will be isomorphic or not.
Yes, sir.
It will be isomorphic.
Yes, sir.
Who's that?
Raj.
Raj Panjwani, तू कहीं बेटा आप एक ग्राफ आइसोमॉर्फिक चेक भी जैसा थे G1 and G2.
एक मिनट सर.
Are you saying both these graphs are isomorphic? Just check, just see. Each and every vertex of graph G1 is of degree 2. हर एक की डिग्री 2 है. यहाँ पे एक ऐसा वर्टेक्स है G2 में जिसकी डिग्री 3 है. बात खत्म. इसके लिए कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस नहीं मिलेगी इस वर्टेक्स के साथ. तो किसको कॉरेस्पॉन्ड करेगा इस ग्राफ में से? नहीं मिलेगा. That's it. So both this graph will not act as isomorphic graph. They can't be isomorphic. That's it. Raj, am I clear? Raj?
Sir, got it.
Good. अब डिसाइड करिए. ये हमने अभी कर लिया. The same example which we are dealing with. ये isomorphic होगा ना? Both these graphs are isomorphic. If you are going to draw this particular graph with some other way of presentation, then surely it will look like same. Let me take you further. This is the real one. Now you need to check whether both these graphs are isomorphic to each other or not. If ना खबर पड़ी है. Yes. ना. Pen card, paper card and draw करा क्या हुआ? You are supposed to decide whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not. If they are isomorphic, then you will be giving me a one-to-one correspondence between vertices and edges. If they are not isomorphic to each other, then you will provide me the proper reason. Okay, I'm giving you 4 minutes. All those who are attending this online are supposed to work with your pen, paper. इसको draw कीजिए, label कीजिए, edges को नाम दीजिए. ठीक है? चलिए. Our takes individual. Am I get forward? But if graphs are isomorphic to each other, then बहुत देर लगेगी वो identify करने के लिए. Yes, who's that?
It is not.
Why not? Why not?
Because we found one vertices which degree is not same in both.
Yes, यहाँ पे देख in this particular graph, the degree of the vertex I is 4, and we are not having any vertex in this particular graph की जिसकी डिग्री 4 है. बात खत्म. Is it? But
Yes, sir.
कोई isomorphic हो तो मजा आए. चल ये देख. Now try to judge whether both these graphs are isomorphic or not. अगर ये isomorphic है तो तुझे labeling देना है. ठीक है? 1-to-1 correspondence देना है. चल अब time लगेगा. Take your time. Now you will be in need of at least 3 to 4 minutes. All of you. I'm just muting myself ताकि मेरी तरफ से कोई disturbance ना आए क्योंकि ये बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा बात कर रहे हैं मुझसे.
Hello, sir.
Yes, who's that?
सर नहीं है ये भी.
हाँ राज, क्यों नहीं है?
सर राइट साइड वाला वो उस पे एक डिग्री 5 है और इस 4 है सर.
Yes, we are not having any vertex in the left hand side graph whose degree is 4. Let me give you one of the graph which is gonna act as a isomorphic graph. Now, यहाँ पे दे सकते हैं 1-to-1 correspondence. Now both these graphs are surely isomorphic here. Now provide me 1-to-1 correspondence. वो 1-to-1 correspondence देना important है. चलिए जल्दी से. No. You. So these graphs are isomorphic to each other. Is it? Yes, it is.
Sir, it is.
Can you share your screen with the proper labeling as well as proper notation of each and every X and H? I
have
just want
given
to.
the name of all the vertices. And
Okay, तू बोलेगा मैं लिखूंगा. ठीक है चल. चलिए be with me. Yes is providing that 1-to-1 correspondence. Yes. पहले इस ग्राफ में ले.
Yes.
इसको G1 बोल दूँ. इसको G2 बोल दूँ.
Okay.
ठीक है. चल यहाँ से start करो.
yes, S will be correspond to A in other. There
इसको
S.
क्या बोलूँ?
S.
S.
Yes. A.
A. Good.
T.
Sorry, T.
T. Turkey. B for Bombay.
Okay. अब यहाँ से नीचे जाएगा.
There.
अब दो बचे. देख तुझे क्या ध्यान रखना. S is connected with this particular vertex as well as S is connected with this particular. On this particular graph, A is connected with this as well as this. Is it? इसको और इसको. यस गुड। तो यहाँ पे रेचल इसको क्या नाम दूं अभी, इसको
अच्छा वहाँ पे वी
V, और ये वाला
कौन सा, अच्छा वहाँ पे डब्ल्यू,
ठीक है।
वो मैंने क्लॉकवाइज किया था तो मतलब वैसे
STUV, फिर W यहाँ पे नीचे लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे लिखा होगा W,
WXYZ।
यहाँ पे W है ना, W X,
नो 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 नो, अपर साइड वहाँ पे डब्ल्यू था वो हाँ यहाँ
this
पे
is
जेड
X,
आएगा ना।
this is X, this is X, this is Y,
ओके देन
this is Z, is it?
ओके
अब यहाँ पे नाम क्या दूं, A B C D, इसको C बोल दूं? It will be bad. It will be good if you can share your screen. Yes, it will be quite convenient. बहुत आसान हो जाएगा अगर तू स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा है, कर सकता है। Yeah, just 2 minutes quickly. Yes.
वो
आइए ना।
मैं कर तो सकता हूँ लेकिन
ठीक है,
वो फिर
छोड़।
मुझे वो कट करना पड़ा क्योंकि वो आपके हिसाब से मैंने चेंज किया तो फिर
नहीं कोई बात नहीं,
I'm
मेरे हिसाब
trying
से
it.
चेंज मत कर, जो तूने किया वही शेयर कर दे ग्रुप में, फोटो डाल के, फोटो खींच के ग्रुप में डाल दे, ठीक है। वैसे भी इट्स 11 ऑलरेडी 11, और मेरे सामने जो भी बच्चे उन सभी का हो चुका है, सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी, बट आई विल चेक योर्स, टेक ए क्लिक, टेक ए पिक एंड सेंड मी ऑन द व्हाट्सएप, ठीक है। इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। लेट मी स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग ओवर हियर।